Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thank you for doing, subscribing, everything. Today I want to show you my week, how's my week has been. Hey, it has been a really tough week, by the way, very tough week. Very weeks that have 2 days I've not seen a setup. Monday was a really good day. Tuesday was I had a loss. And then Wednesday I had a very nice trading day, and then Thursday, Friday I didn't trade. Today is on Sunday, as you can see. I placed 3 trades, and you can see as from this trade, this is one trade, same entry, same, but they placed, it was a 1.6 lot trade, but now they separate the trade, so this is one trade. Then we have this other trade here. This was a very massive trade, a very big lot size. And then we had this trade over here, nice trade. I started increasing my risk from this day. From Tuesday I started increasing my risk to 2%, and it has been good. So I lost 2% here, not actually 2%, because 2% is $120, so I lost like 1.8% on that trade. I cut my loss early, and then this trade I made a 2%, very nice trade. And let me take you through the trades. It has been a really nice week, very tough according to the markets because of this reversal that started happening on Tuesday. And this reversal, this is where my loss happened, as you can see, because I was not expecting this reversal to come in. This is the daily time frame. I was not expecting this reversal to come in. I was expecting a rejection. Let me remove these drawings so that you can see more clearly. I was expecting that this fair value gap will be rejected and we continue a rally lower to take out this liquidity, over here, and then continue going lower. But of course, I'm not the one who predicts the market. I'm not the one who makes market moves. So it happened how it happened. On Tuesday I had a loss, and this loss came around this place. I had a sell on Monday because the market was still showing me a bearish trajectory, because we had already tested this daily order block over here with this candle. Then we came back on the next, this was last week, but one. Today is on Sunday, so it's last week but one. And we had this on Monday the 3rd of February. We had this test of this order block, rejected it very well. Another test of the order block, rejected it. Then we came back. So I realized that we don't have very strong bullish momentum to push the market further, so we might seek liquidity at lower price levels at this point or at this point. So we didn't really go lower. So as you can see, we rejected this order block. So there's a trade I took here on Monday, this trade, as you can see, this trade here. And then the Tuesday one that I took, a sell also. Thought we would reject that fair value gap and continue going lower, but it didn't happen. Then on Wednesday I accepted the situation, and sometimes you have to be dynamic in the market, and you don't hold, like, you should have very strong opinions but very weakly held. So I had strong opinions that we are bearish, but now after I saw that we are breaking every order block, I considered defeat, because I'm not fighting with the market. So the market does what it wants to do, so we waited for it. So on Monday, let me take you through the trade I took on Monday. This is Monday. On Monday, here it is. This is one of the weirdest trades I've ever taken, because it took long. My trades don't last so long. They last about 2 to 3 hours. I'm an intraday trader, so my trades don't last more than 2 to 3 hours. But this one lasted a long time. This one lasted for like 4 hours, and trade came, took away my we were very bullish during London session. This is London, as you can see. This is my time frame is usually New York time, as you can see. So when you see that it's saying 9:30, this is just this is Sunday New York time. and then we come. This is London, this is the Asian session here. The market was moving quite bullishly during my Asian session, and then during London session we still was continued moving bullishly. Then after New York session, after London session, we had a very strong rejection. This rejection was not actually clear for me that we are on a bearish trajectory, because we hadn't broken structure yet. Hatuko break structure. So since we have not broken structure, I was like, okay, we can still be in a bullish run. So when we came back, I started trading at my market opens at 8:30 New York time. So all this happened before, all this rejection, all this retracement after this rally happened before New York time. So this rejection came in the market, then we had this rejection of this fair value gap. So this is a very nice indicator to show you that we now might be changing the trend in the market. So now we took this this retracement came, fair value gap was rejected very well, had a rally. This rally broke structure on all these fronts, took this low over here, and then took this low finally. And this was a very nice incentive for me to think, let me take this trade. So we had a trade on this fair value gap, took the trade exactly at this point. I took it at a 5-minute, I guess. I took it here at this point, took the trade. I took this trade at this point, took the trade, came my way, didn't close above the 15-minute fair value gap. So this is a nice indicator. So I held the trade, and we went, came back, went again. So this trade was this was a very mind-boggling trade. It took a long time, and I don't hold trades to the next day. So I closed the trade somewhere here, and made my profits, got out, and we moved on to another day. So another trade I had was on Tuesday. This is Tuesday, yes. We had another trade on Tuesday. This trade was a really risky trade, because my trades I consider them high probability. There's a A-class trade, a B-class trade. This one I can consider a B-class trade. I took this trade because there was a bit of movement, pushing the trade back to a reversal. I wanted a reversal, but unfortunately the market was not reversing according to me. So I took the loss, and that's it. That was it. Then on Wednesday we had another trade. On Wednesday we had a very nice trade. The market had now started breaking structure on the higher time frame, and now that it's breaking structure on the higher time frame, I will now start looking for where the market will be going next. After these breaks of structure here and here, we want to see where the market is going next. So my target was to take this high over here. So this trade came very well on Wednesday, and I took it. It was a 30-minute fair value gap and capital just above a 15-minute order block. Those are one of the best trades to take, because the market displaced, created a 30-minute fair value gap, then left a 15-minute order block. So those are one of the pillars that can pull a market to reject that price point. So for me, I took that trade, very beautiful trade, one of the best trades I've taken this month. No retracement to my, not just straight on movement to TP, no move towards my opposite my direction, and it was a nice trade. And currently 6% up, and we are okay. Currently just 2% away from passing phase 1. Hope I can pass phase 1 in a month, maybe in a week. We never know. These markets are we can even take 2 trades, take 2 losers and go back to break even, and we never know. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and we'll make it in the future. Peace out.